Top 8 Cheapest Vintage Cars. Number 1. Toyota Celica. 1977 year of issue. 1977 Toyota Celica 4SB manual transmission, and I have all parts, including the engine. The engine needs to be completely rebuilt. This is a restore project car. If you like our videos, subscribe. You'll help us a lot. Number 2. Ford Phone 100. 1954 year of issue. HASV 80 ENG TRA CASA WIT. IT, they said all was rebuilt with 40,000 miles. 351 ABOUT. ILST, ICK, INT, EADA, ECLOT, EAEA, UALY, W, a Y1, TO3, MONTHSO, NNA double. UER4, X4, FRAME. Number 3. GM C1/2-ton pickup. 1967 year of issue. 67 GM C1/2-ton long box 2-wheel drive. Clear title. V6 4-speed. Runs excellent. Drives okay. Cab corners and rockers are very rusty, but I have a lower patch panel kit to go with. 10-piece. Descent truck yet. $2,500. Number 4. Ford F600. 1958 year of issue. 1958 Ford F600 truck has a 13-quart box on it. We were told this truck runs, but has no brakes. We have not started it since we brought it home. It will need to be winched onto a trailer for transport. Body is in decent condition. Clean title. Asking $2,750. Located in Thief River Falls, MN. Number 5. Chevrolet Biscan. 1960 year of issue. You are looking at a 1960 Chevrolet Biscan 4-door, good project car. No engine or transmission. Was an original V8 car. I feel that my price of $2,500 RED. UCEDDO WNFRO $3,500 is very realistic for a classic car like this one, with the potential that this vehicle has. Number 6. Cadillac DeVille, 1961 year of issue. Factory Pompion red with burgundy/white interior, white top. Factory power windows. No drivetrain, convertible frame is solid. Will need rust repair on quarters, floors, rockers. All convertible parts are intact and in good shape. Missing top latches. Number 7. Lincoln Premier, 1956 year of issue. 1956 Lincoln Premier, 2-door hardtop. Has the original 368 V8 engine. Motor is stuck. Body had some rust. Unknown frame condition. No title. Asking $2,500. Located in Thief River Falls, Men. Number 8. Ford F250, 1975 year of issue. 1975 Ford Highboy pickup. Has a V8 engine and 3-speed automatic transmission. Will run and yard drive, but has not run this year. Bring a winch to load. Body is rough. Clean title. Asking $2,500. Located in Thief River Falls, MN. If you're interested in more vintage cars for sale, be sure to subscribe to the channel. You'll be helping us out a lot